Hello lovely people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gratus Lucado, and in today's video I'm just reviewing a video on my car. Now if you're new here or if today is your first time of visiting this channel, I suggest you subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Now today's video answers a lot of questions that I've been having on my social media. So if you're following my videos carefully, I've been uploading videos on a homemade car that I've been fabricating over 3 years now, and today I'm just posting this video to answer the questions I've been having. And some questions like, does the car work, does it move, can you ride it on the road? So today's video is just to answer that simple question. So without much ado, before we get to it, it's a project that took me long, and I started this project on the 14th of July 2018, and 14th of this month was the 3rd year, and I had wanted to celebrate a birthday for my car, and I wanted the car to move on that 14th, but well, I couldn't make it, and that wasn't so much, even though it was sad, but I just let it go. And on the 15th of which was the next day, I made it to the road. Thus, I was able to ride the car. And congratulations, thanks to God for helping me throughout the year that I was able to make this. So the car was able to hit to the road on its 3rd year and a day. So without much ado, let's just jump right into this video and enjoy the rest of the time. Thank you guys for watching that video, and if you do like it, hit the like button. Also, if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel, and remember to hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Now I want to use this opportunity to say that I'm still working on the car, and I welcome your sponsorship. Anyone who would like to sponsor me to finish up this car, because I still have a lot of things to do on it, you can use the number on the screen. The number is below the screen. You can WhatsApp me on that number and then let your sponsorship come true. I thank you for supporting me. I thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.